everyone. Tonight for supper, we're going to be making chili corn dogs. What all goes into the chili corn dogs? 4 to 6 frozen corn dogs, 1 can, 15 ounces of chili, no beans or beans, and cheddar cheese for topping. I decided to up it a little bit and to do the taco blend. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Take a baking sheet and just follow the instructions on the package and put as many corn dogs as you want. I'm going to do 6. And according to my package directions, we'll put them in a preheated 350-degree oven. If they were thawed, we would cook them for 14 minutes. They're frozen, so we'll do them for 17 minutes, and we'll flip them over halfway through. So when you have about 3 to 4 minutes left of the corn dogs, heat up your chili, dump it in a saucepan, follow the instructions, which this one says medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so they cook long enough to split, which will be beneficial because I need to cut them anyway. So you want to remove the sticks. And then cut them, but not all the way through. Like I said, they've already cracked, so that works. And then take your chili, kind of spread them apart if you can. And put your chili in there without making too big of a mess. And then put some cheese on there. And if you have some, you could put some green onions on there too. I just forgot to buy some, and it didn't call for any, but I like onions on my chili dogs. So here are the chili corn dogs. The breading, of course, resembles the bun, and rounding out the meal is air fryer corn on the cob. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looking for a fork.
Oh, do you want a fork?
Yeah, I think it'll be less messy. That looks like a corn dog with chili on it.
You're correct, that is a chili corn dog.
That's actually pretty good. I think I like that better than a regular hot dog bun. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.